Your first 25K. Learn exactly what it takes to go from 0 to 25K in 20 months or less. So let's get into the video. Look, getting your money right is hard. I totally understand. For a lot of you, you struggle to stack money every month. Maybe, for example, you're struggling because your expenses are quite high, or maybe you don't have quite enough income, and you find that every month, although you have good intentions, you aren't able to actually put money aside. I understand the struggle. I struggle too. I've been through quite a little roller coaster in my life with regards to money. I've had periods where I've had lots of money and then lost all of that money and had to start again from scratch. And I dug myself out of that hole and I was able to get myself back into a very good financial position. So I've seen the roller coaster ride of up and down, and I realized what I did to turn myself around from a point where money was being wasted. I was careless with my money. And there was also points where even when I wasn't careless with my money and I wanted and have good intentions to stack money, I just couldn't seem to do it. But then I figured out the correct way to do it. I figured out how I could go about getting my money right, sorting myself out financially, and I was able to turn it around. And now I'm introducing you to your first 25K. Your first 25K is going to show you the roadmap. It's going to give you the blueprint as to what you need to do to get your money right, how to sort yourself out so that you can have 25K in 20 months or less. That's the goal, that's the target, and I'm going to show you how to get there. And anybody can get there. Even if you're starting from zero, even if you have nothing saved at the present moment, we can get you to 25K in 20 months or less if you can just follow through with what I ask you to do. You learn and you implement. Look, build yourself a respectable net worth and make yourself proud. It's not even about other people. This is something for yourself. You know, there are plenty of people with millions and billions and so on, but in reality, even if you had 25K to your name, it's a respectable net worth to accumulate, and it gives you a good starting point to actually move into other areas where you can start investing and you can start multiplying that money into larger amounts. But the starting point for you is you need to get to that 25K. Don't worry about millions right now. Don't worry about billions right now. We want to get you to that respectable net worth. If you've got nothing at the present moment, getting to 25K is your first milestone, and I can help you get there. Make yourself proud. And to do that, sign up now. You get free access to module 1 of the online course, your first 25K, completely free when you join today. And it's a limited availability. The deadline is 31st of January, 2023. So go sign up now so that you can take advantage of the first module completely free. And I look forward to seeing you there.